Okay, good morning children. So yesterday we have learned about integers, number line of integers and ascending and descending order of integers. Okay, and exercise 1 is also completed in that. So today I'll explain about addition of integers, subtraction of integers, and that too using number line as well as without using number line. How to solve addition of integers and subtraction of integers using number line and without using number line. Okay, those two concepts will complete today. And first I'll go with the addition of integers. Addition of integers using number line. Okay, so addition of integers using number line. First I'll explain with an example. So consider one problem. See, let us go with the 2 plus of minus 6. 2 plus of minus 6. Okay. So whatever the problem it is, whenever you are solving addition of integers, first what you have to do is you have to remove the brackets. So for removing the brackets, you know already the multiplication of two signs that I have learned in 6th class. That is plus into plus is plus, plus into minus is minus, and minus into plus is minus, minus into minus is plus. So if you observe here, what we have is when you multiply two same signs, you will get plus. See here, plus into plus plus and minus into minus plus. When you have two same signs, you will get plus sign. And when you have two different signs, see plus into minus or minus into plus, in both times you will have a minus. So remember that. Now here, coming here, say in this problem, what you have 2 plus half minus 6. This half means nothing but into. This bracket is nothing but into. So for the first number, first digit, we doesn't have any bracket. So write it as it is. And the sign of that number is here. No sign is given for 2. That means it is plus 2. If no sign is given means you should consider it as plus 2. Okay. So plus 2. Here nothing is there. No sign is there. So I am writing it as plus 2. Now here, when coming to bracket, on both sides of the bracket, what you have? On side plus and other side minus. Two different signs. When you have two different signs, what will you get? Minus. So minus and the number is 6. So plus 2 minus 6. So now we have to solve this on a number line. For that, first you should draw a number line. Integer number line. So in the middle you should write 0. On right side of 0 you will get positive numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. And the left side you will get negative numbers, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 and so on. So whenever you are solving integer line, number line, integer problems, start with 0. So you should be in the middle. At 0 you have to start at 0. Here you are. Okay. So let's consider here you are. So you will start from here. You will move from here. Okay. So here first number, what is that? First sign you should see. What is that? Plus. So whenever you have plus, we are starting from 0. So if you have plus, you should move right side or forward. Steps. You should move. How many steps? How many numbers are there? That means steps. You should move right side or forward. 0 right side or 0 ఫార్వర్డ్ అంటే 0 నుంచి రైట్ సైడ్ కైనా వెళ్ళాలి లేదంటే ముందుకన్నా వెళ్ళడం అంటాం మనం. ఓకే, సో రైట్ సైడ్ వెళ్తున్నాం. ఎన్ని స్టెప్స్ వెళ్ళాలి? హౌ మెనీ స్టెప్స్ యూ షుడ్ మూవ్? 2 స్టెప్స్. సో సీ హియర్, వై బికాస్ హియర్ 2 is given, so you should move 2 steps from 0 on right side of 0. So here start here 1 step and 2 steps. So here it is plus 2. Now you are here. Now you came to here. Okay. Now you are here. Next number is what? Next sign is what? Not the number. Next sign. What is that? Minus. So whenever you have minus, you should move left side of that number. left side or backward. వెనక్కి వెళ్ళడం లేదంటే ఈ పక్కన లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ లో వెళ్ళాలి. ఓకే 2 నుంచి ఎక్కడ ఉన్నాం మనం ఇప్పుడు 2. We are at 2. From 2 you should move left of 2 or backward. Okay. So but how many steps you should move now? 6 steps. So start here. 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Minus 6. Now do we have any other number? No. So yeah, stop here. So now you are at minus 4. Just round it up. Now this will be the answer. Hereby because we doesn't have any further numbers in this. So the answer is minus 4 is equal to minus 4. The answer of 2 plus of minus 6 is nothing but minus 4. Okay, clear? This is addition using number line. I'll explain one more example also. We'll go with one more example. Minus 4 plus of minus 2 or plus of or plus 2. Minus 4 plus of plus 2. Okay, same. Go with the removing of brackets. You should remove the brackets. Okay. So first number minus 4 as it is you have to write. So write minus 4. Then coming to bracket. What do you have here? On both sides of bracket you have 2 plus signs. When you have two same signs, what will you get? See here, you will get plus. So write here plus. And then what is the number we have here? It's nothing but 2. So after removing the brackets, what do we got? Minus 4 plus 2. Now should solve this using number line. Again you know how to write number line. Nothing but here in the middle 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 and so on. Again you will be at 0 first step. Should be at 0 in the middle. Now from 0, see here, what do we have? Minus, first sign you should see, then the number. What do we have here? Minus. So where you should move? On left side of 0. On left side of 0 or backward. Okay. So from 0, how many steps you should move left side? 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is nothing but minus 4. Now you are at minus 4. Now you are here. What is next you have? Plus. Plus means from this number you should move right side of that number you should move. Okay. So, but how many steps you should move? We have here 2, so you should move 2 steps. From minus 4, right side of minus 4. Okay. So from here, 1 into 2. So plus 2. Now, do we have any other number? No. So just round it up here. Now what is the answer? It's nothing but minus 2. So the answer is minus 2. Okay. So this is about addition of integers using number line. Now I'll go with the subtraction of integers using number line. Okay. That I'll explain with one example. It will be more than enough. Subtraction of integers. I'll go with one example. Minus 3 minus of minus 5. Minus 3 minus of minus 5. See here we are subtracting two integers, minus 3 and minus 5. We are subtracting two integers. Okay. So again, for subtraction or addition, whatever it is, what is the first step? To remove the brackets. Now, what will you get? Minus 3 as it is. Why? Because it doesn't have any bracket, so you will get same minus 3. Now see, again on the bracket, both sides of bracket have same sign, minus and minus. What will you get? Plus. So minus into minus, plus and 5. The number is 5. So you have written 5. Again go for number line. In the middle 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on, and then minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 and so on. So again, where will you start? At a 0. Same process. Here also you should use same process. In addition, how did you use? Same like that only you have to use here also. Okay. So from 0 we'll start. So you are at 0 now. So what is the first sign you have? Minus. Minus means where you should move? On left side of 0. On left side of 0, how many steps you should move? 3. Here it is 3, so you should move 3 steps. From 0, 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. Minus 3. Now where you are? Now we are at minus 3. మనం ఎక్కడ వరకు వచ్చేసాం ఇప్పుడు? minus 3 వరకు వచ్చాం. ఈ minus 3 దగ్గర నుండి నెక్స్ట్ ఏం చేయాలి? నెక్స్ట్ ఏం సైన్ ఉంది? ప్లస్. What do we have? Plus. Plus means where you should move? You are at here at minus 3. You should move either left or right. Where you should move? You should move on the right side. Why? Because we have plus sign, so you should move right side. ఇక్కడ ప్లస్ ఉంది కాబట్టి ఎటు వెళ్ళాలి మనము? రైట్ సైడ్కి వెళ్ళాలి. ఎన్ని స్టెప్స్ వెళ్ళాలి మరి? 5. How many steps you should move? 5. So go 5 steps of right side of minus 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now, do we have any other number? Any other sign? No. So where you should start at 2. Now here no sign is there, there is nothing more. The answer is nothing but 2. So this is subtraction of integers using number line. Okay, so this all you have learned in whole numbers and integers also in 6th class you have learned about all in number line, using number line. Now how to solve addition or subtraction of integers without using number line. Okay, that we'll learn now. Without using number line. So example, first one, minus 6 plus half minus 9. Minus 6 plus half minus 9 on the first half plus. Then I'll explain 3 to 4 examples so that I will get an idea for how to solve them. So here, so in 6th class you have learned about addition of integers without using number line. There is also first step is to remove the brackets. So I remove the brackets. Minus 6 and here same signs are there, plus and plus. So what will you get? Again plus. The number is here 9. So what do you get here? Minus 6 plus 9. So whenever you have two integers and without using number line, what do you have to do? In 6th class I have explained this using apples and mangoes. Okay, now in 7th class now I'll explain in a different method, just in the same way but using plus and minus. Just simply write here plus sign and then write here minus. And how many plus numbers are there? Write below the plus sign, and how many negative numbers are there? There you should write. Okay. Now see, how many plus numbers are there here? 9, only one 9. And then here negative numbers are 6. Negative number 6 and the positive number is 9. So 9 and 6. So after writing this, whatever the number is bigger, from that number you should subtract the smaller one. So 9 and 6. Which one is greater? 9 is greater, no? So from 9 you should subtract this 6. So I'll subtract this 6 from 9. So what will you get? 9 minus 6. How much you will get? 9 minus 6 is 3. Now on which side you got this answer? On plus side you got the answer. So you should write it as plus 3. You should write it as plus 3. Okay. Now I'll explain one more. I'll explain 3 to 4. Second one, 5 plus half minus 9. 5 plus half minus again 9. Okay, 8. 5 plus half minus 8. So same as it is, first step to remove the brackets. 5. Now see, two sides of bracket. What do you have? One plus and one minus. Two different signs. Whenever you have two different signs, what will you get? Minus. You'll get minus. So write minus here, and then the number is 8. Here no sign is given means you should assume that as plus. Now come write plus numbers and minus numbers. Plus number is 5 and minus number is 8. Now which one is greater here? 8 is greater. So from 8 subtract this 5. 8 minus 5, how much more? 3. Now where did you get this 3? On which side you got this one? On minus side you got 3. So the answer is minus 3. So the answer is minus 3. Okay, clear? So second example. Now I'll explain one more. Third one. Minus 4 minus half minus 10. Minus 4 minus half minus 10. Or minus 14 I'll consider. Minus 14 minus half minus 10. Okay. Now again remove the brackets. Minus 14 minus into minus. When do you have two same signs, what will you get? Plus the number is 10. Again go for plus and minus. Plus number, what is plus number here? Positive number is 10. And what is the negative number here? 14. Now in these two, which one is greater? Obviously 14 is greater. So from 14 you should subtract 10. So subtract 10. 14 minus 10. 4. Now when you subtract 4, where did you get that number? On minus side. So the answer is minus 4. Okay. There is a third example.